Hi, this is a wired security camera system by Sansco. Sansco is actually a company that a while ago I made a video about their dash cam and I really liked it. The link to that video should be there. They also sent me their security camera system so we can test it and see what is what. First, let's open the box. The DVR is black and it comes with 1 TB of internal storage. It is a 4-channel DVR, which means it can support up to 4 wired security cameras with maximum 1080p HD resolution. The LED indicators as well as the control buttons are on the front panel, and all the input and output ports are on the rear panel. The security cameras are black too. They are HD cameras with 1080p resolution. They look good, feel sturdy, and show good build quality. They have night vision with 32 infrared LEDs. They're weatherproof, dustproof, and even rustproof. And that makes them perfect for outdoor applications. I can use the provided Allen key to change the position and the angle of the cameras if I need to. The cameras don't have microphones. That means my DVR is only going to record video. But the DVR supports audio too. It actually has audio in ports, which is good. Maybe in the future if I upgrade my cameras with the ones that have microphones, then my DVR will support that. Each camera has 2 cable connectors, one for the video and one for the power. So I connect one end of the provided cable to the camera and the other end to the power splitter and also the video input port of the DVR. I also connect the monitor and a mouse to the DVR, and then using an Ethernet cable connect the DVR to my wireless router, and finally plug in the power adapter. The DVR is going to load, and if the cameras are connected, I should be able to see the live videos here. If I don't see this OK message in the network test page, it could be because maybe the IP address is wrong. It looks like the DVR by default uses the static IP address of 192.168.1.10, but if this is not a valid IP address on my network, I can change it here, or maybe enable the DHCP option so it can automatically receive an IP address from my wireless router. The default username to access the DVR is admin with no password, so I'm gonna make sure I add a password so no one else can access my DVR. The DVR by default records all the cameras all the time. This is actually what I prefer, but if I want I can change this schedule too, or even enable motion detection recording, which is good. Okay, so far I've been monitoring the cameras on the monitor directly connected to the DVR, but if the network and internet is successfully connected, I can also remotely monitor my cameras. For example, if I'm using my cell phone, I can download and install an app called XMI and connect it to my DVR. Or if I'm using my computer, I can use the CMS software and pretty much do the same thing so I can connect to the DVR. Okay, so I used the Sansco security camera system for a few days and I liked it. It was easy to set up. The video quality was good during day and night. It is actually 1080p, which is good. It also has motion detection recording and I tested it and it worked fine. It is not something that I want to use myself, but it is there if you are interested. But something that I should keep in mind though, that this is a wired security camera system, so it requires some wiring. That might sound like a disadvantage at first, but what if I look at it this way? As long as the wiring is done and everything is connected, then I don't have to worry about some of the problems that the wireless cameras have, such as being out of range, bad signal and interference, right? Alright guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not, because more videos are coming soon. Thank you and I see you next time.